Hi, I am your friend Avinash, and today's video topic is OOPS, that is Object Oriented Programming Language. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming Language. The main purpose of OOPS is to deal with real world entity using programming language. There are in total 6 features of OOPS. First one is class, second one is object, third one inheritance, fourth one polymorphism, encapsulation and abstraction. Class is nothing but the blueprint or template. It is the logical entity. It is a logical entity. Class includes methods, variables as well as methods. Now the second one is object. Object is nothing but the instance of class. Class doesn't take any memory until object is created. Always we create object into the main method. Next one is inheritance. In inheritance, reusability of code is possible by extending classes. In polymorphism, polymorphism polymorphism word is made up of two words. Poly means many and morphism means form, that is many form. In polymorphism, same object having same object having different behavior. Now the next one, encapsulation. To access the private data members outside the class, we use encapsulation feature of OOPS. Next one is abstraction. In abstraction, it hides the essential programming which we don't want it to show to the user. Now we will discuss one by one in detail. First one is third one is inheritance. There are basically inheritance means in inheritance we extend the properties and features of parent class into the child class with the help of the keyword extend. There are four types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. In single inheritance, there is only one parent class and one child class. Parent class is also called as superclass, and child class is also called subclass. Now the next one is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, there are multiple child classes, that is subclasses. There are multiple subclasses. The properties of parent class extended by the subclass 1. Now further subclass 2 extend the property of subclass 1. Now the next one is multiple inheritance. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance as if multiple inheritance, but it supports multiple inheritance through interface. Now the next one is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there is one superclass and all subclasses extends superclass directly. Now the next one is polymorphism. There are mainly two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. In compile time polymorphism, this polymorphism takes place in this polymorphism take place while the compilation process is going on. Now the next one is runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is achieved by method overriding, whereas compile time polymorphism achieved by method overloading. In method overloading, in single class, multiple methods of same names are present, but they are differentiated with the help of different number of parameters as well as different parameters. Now next, in method overriding, subclass contains one method, and superclass contains the method, and subclass also contains the same name method. So in this case, when we create object of subclass, by default subclass method gets executed because of overriding. In encapsulation, if we declare any variable, instance variable as static, we can't access it outside of the class. But by using encapsulation phenomena, we can access the private data members with the help of getters and setters. Now the next one and last one is abstraction. There are two types of abstraction. Abstraction is used to hide the essential programming and show only highlighted points. There are two types of abstraction in abstraction. First one, abstract class, and second one, interface. We can't create the